Hello. In this video we shall be studying subsets, power set, universal set, and we will try to represent these different sets of the number system as a subset of each other. Now, what is a subset? If all the elements of A are present in B, then A is a subset of B, and we write A is a subset of B this way. Now, mathematically, we shall express it this way: for every x which belongs to A, if it implies x belongs to B, then on the whole we imply that A is a subset of B. Now, this mathematical definition is very, very important. So please remember this definition, which is in the mathematical terms, that for every x is an arbitrary element, imaginary element. So if an element element is present in A, and if it is also present in B, then we say A is a subset of B. Now, let us talk about an example. Suppose I have a set, say A, and suppose if it is 1, 2, 3. Now, remember, the total number of subsets a set can have is 2 raised to the power n. This is 2 raised to the power. We have 3 elements over here. So in all we should have 8 subsets. Now, how do we account for those subsets? So let me make these subsets. First, I will make sets which contain only one element. Now, if I look at the first one element, 1, then I have 2, I have 3. Now, we have made all the sets which can contain only one element from the given set A. Now, we shall look for 2 elements. So, I make 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Then, of the 3 elements, that's 1, 2, 3 and the null set. So now if you count all these, they are 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8 subsets, and that is what we had over here. But out of these 8 subsets, this is the set itself, and this null set actually is not there. It is just a consideration that null set is a subset of every set, and so these two are called improper subsets. And so the number of subsets always is 2 raised to the power n, where n is the number of elements, and number of proper subsets, because the set itself is never considered as a subset. So proper subsets are 2 raised to the power n minus 2, where those minus 2 are, one is the set itself and the second one is a null set. Now, coming on to the power set. Power set means the set of all subsets of a set is called the power set. Now, say for example, let us once again consider A as 1, 2, 3. Now, if I write all the subsets, it's 1, then you have 2, then 3, then 1, 2, then 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the null set. Now, if I make a set of all these subsets, these subsets, they become an element of a larger set. So then in that case, this entire set is called the power set of A and is written as P of A. So how do we define a power set? We say the set of all the subsets of a given set is called the power set of the given set. Now, coming on to the universal set. A set which contains all the elements of the sets under consideration is called a universal set. So, say for example, if I have set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have a set B which is 2, 4, 6. I have a set C which is say 1, 3, 7. Now, because A has 1, 2, 3, 4, B has 2, 4, 6 and C has 1, 3, 7. Now, I shall try to write a set which contains all these elements. So, what I do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you look at this, the set U contains all the elements of set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, set B 2, 4 and 6 and set C 1, 3, 7. So over here we can see that A, B and C, they are all subsets of a certain given set. This certain given set is called a universal set. Normally people define universal set as the set of all the elements. Yes, but it has to be with respect to certain given information. A universal set may differ from question to question. Now, we know N is the set of natural numbers. Then Z is this, before that we have whole numbers, W as whole numbers. Then you have Z, which are integers. Then you have Q, that is rational numbers. And finally we have R, which are real numbers. And so we can see that all the natural numbers are present inside the set of whole numbers. So N is a subset of W. All the whole numbers are there inside the set of integers, so it's a subset of integers. All the integers are there in the set of rational numbers, so that's a subset of Q, and that is further a subset of R, the real numbers. So we need to remember this sequence of the number system, where we know that natural number is a subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers are a subset of integers. Integer is a subset of rational numbers, and rational numbers are a subset of real numbers.